Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail in Photoshop, or at least how I do my thumbnails. But before we begin, many of you who are watching my videos are still not subscribed to my channel. It would mean a ton if you would hit that subscribe button and like the video afterwards if this video is any way helpful. Anyway, let's get going. I always start with opening a new file with the dimension of 1280 pixel width and 720 pixel height. I found this to be the perfect size for my thumbnails, and I never get anything cut out when I post my videos. Next, I will screenshot the video, which this thumbnail is for. In this case, this thumbnail is for the green screen tutorial video, so that is what I'm going to screenshot. Other elements are the logos of the programs I'm using, such as Premiere Pro logo, the Streamlabs logo, and the League Director logo. For the League Director logo, I had to cut out this dark blue because there are no pictures with just the logo. I just used the lasso tool and cut along the black outline of the logo. Next, I'll play with the titles and the positioning of the logos in order to best set up the image. For the typeface, I always use the Logia Sky from Google Fonts. It is free source for cool fonts, which you can use for free. I keep the style simple and clean, with just a solid color and two strokes, one black and one white. You can add the two strokes by just right clicking the layer and choosing blending option, or just double clicking the layer. Try to keep your title short and with big text. Remember, people will see a small image on YouTube and the text has to be perfectly readable. People tend to skip over images with a lot of text. Lastly, I rearrange the logos to fit the text. I give the images the same strokes as the text. I change the color of the text to contrast the black background to the same green as the green screen. Save the thumbnail as PNG. I always use the PNG for exporting images because the quality is always higher. And that was it for today. Let me know in the comments below if this helped you in any way. Also, if you want me to cover something specific, let me know in the comments below. Else, hit that like and subscribe button as it would support me a ton. Anyway, until next time, see ya!